How to restore deleted website on Wix. So first, all you have to do is to log into your account. And then once you're here, you have to click the name of your account at the top left corner. Specifically, tap this arrow facing down, and you should see the option that says all sites. Okay, so tap this go to all sites so you can see all the websites that you have created and pick the one that you want to delete for the meantime. So let's just say I want to delete this site that I have created. Tap this three dots and you will see the options here, but you have to go to move the trash. And as you can see, sites will be kept in trash for 90 days. So if you want to restore your website, you should have to make sure that you do that within the 90 days. Next is you have to go to sites again, or you can refresh. Then you will see the trash icon or trash option right here. Tap this one, and you will see all the websites that you have deleted or the website that we have deleted earlier. To restore, all you have to do is to click this restore website right here, or restore site, or tap this three dots and tap restore site. As easy as that. Tap restore again. And the next thing to do is to just simply reload or go to your all sites to see the website that you have restored. As easy as that. And that's how you restore a deleted website on Wix. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.